today we're going to be working on a Rafts project. Who's ever heard of a Rafts project? If you have, raise your hand. Okay, very good. I see a few of you are familiar with Rafts. Who can tell me what the R in Rafts stands for?
Role of the writer.
Role of the writer. Okay, and what does it mean to have a role?
To play as a character, a famous person, or imitate an object.
Okay, good. All right. What about the O?
It's an A.
I mean A. I'm sorry. A.
Audience.
Audience.
Other characters, community leader.
Okay. Yeah, audience. So it's who you're addressing, right? All right. What about F? F.
F is format.
Okay. And so what do we mean by format? When something is formatted.
Format is like the way it's done, like how it's all put together and the way, the style or form that we've done it in, I guess.
Okay. And T. What is the T in Rafts? What is the T in Rafts? I need to hear from somebody over here.
Topic.
Topic. Okay. So the topics can be varying topics. And what are some of the topics that we're going to address today on the Rafts that you have in front of you?
Climate regions, safaris and river tours, deforestation, desertification, establishment of clean water policies, and a highlighted map of lakes and the Rift Valley and mountains of Eastern Africa.
Okay, very good, very good. Now, we also have the letter S, and that's not always on a Raft. But what does that S stand for? D?
Well, sometimes a strong verb is like, it helps you like explain, or it's like instructing and formatting is what you're focusing on.
Okay, all right, very good, very good. It's a strong verb. Okay, and what are some of the strong verbs that we have listed there? So as you're assuming these roles, what are some of the strong verbs that we have listed there? Give me one of them, Sean.
Explain.
Okay, explain. So we're going to be explaining. What else are we going to be doing?
Instructing.
And we're going to be instructing with this Raft. What else?
Informing.
We're going to be informing. What else?
Reporting.
Reporting. What else?
Persuading.
And persuading. Okay, very good, very good. So, as we do these Rafts, there are a few websites that you can look at. One of them will show you how to do the formal email because there's a formal email task on there. And the other ones are going to help you with the different environmental issues and climates. Okay? All right, so what we can do now, since we basically understand the Rafts, I want you to break out into groups with partners to actually work together and decide what you're going to do. Okay? So you can move now. You can stand up. Everybody stand. Okay, let's go ahead and get with our group. Okay, who we're going to group with. Let's do this quickly. And you can have time to kind of discuss. Let's hurry up and get seated. We need to hurry up and take a seat. Every group should have a seat. Good job.
Yeah, you're so awesome.
All right, so now,
Everything.
all right. Okay, so you guys go ahead and discuss among each other what you'd like to do in the groups. And I think I need a few more people in this group right here because there's only like 2 people. So can one person just come over? Oh, okay, we'll come over. Good. All right, are you guys just 2?
Yeah, we're fine with our team.
Okay. All right, grab a chair from over there. So how do you feel about the choices? Do you think these are a good interpretation? Okay.
Since we want 100.
Okay, so we did the tour, or the reporter, so you want to do like the,
How about, let's do a tour guide. So
we can be the community activists and be like, or not terrorists, we can be like townspeople, and we can like,
Yeah, for like climate agents, yeah. As far as I try to do climate agents. So that means trying to do the brochure. So we'll be a climatologist. Yeah.
Brochure in the
It's very important.
So how do you guys like the choices? Do you think they're pretty good choices?
Yeah.
You'd be interested in doing some of this stuff? Good.
Reporter. We should do community
Yes,
activity.
I like the reporter. It's a news story. You highlight some good points on different locations.
You want to be a tour guide.
Well, but I think that by creating a news story,
Really find out how well we need to play our role as a public health. We have to make sure we acknowledge our audience, which will be our prospective visitors, or better yet, just say future visitors. And our format is our brochure. So how should we do the brochure? 3-panel or 4-panel? 4-panel. Okay.
just like print out some.
Okay.